How to log out a Fiverr account on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of your Fiverr account on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you have the Fiverr app and it's updated to the latest version. After that, make sure it's logged in as well. So as you can see, this is my Fiverr. Now, if I want to log out from my Fiverr account, let's see what we can do for that. So first, we'll open it up and head over to the More option that is on the bottom right corner. If I head over there and if I start scrolling, normally there should be a logout button at the bottom, but there is no such thing. So let's head over to our settings to check it out as well. So under settings, if I head over to general, there is no option there as well. Under account, there is no option to log out as well. So the only way that you can actually log out from your Fiverr is by uninstalling the app itself. So long press on your Fiverr and then tap on the remove button. Tap on remove and tap on delete app. After you tap on delete app, confirm the deletion. I will not be deleting the app, but delete the app completely, and after you delete the app, you can reinstall it and you'll get logged out from your account. And that's how you log out of your Fiverr account on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.